Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I am bringing you shame. So if you want to see what's in this Ipsy Glam bag for May, let's go ahead and get into it. So if you don't know anything about Ipsy, and how I said I wasn't going to get it again, you're guaranteed to receive 5 deluxe size samples. Even though we do see full-sized quite often, you're not guaranteed to get them. You do get to make one choice around the 20-something of the month. And then you do always get a new makeup bag every month. This is the makeup bag for May. And your value is around $70 plus. And then, yeah, there's a theme every month. So, like I said, this is our tassel, which Blazemere already loves. It's like a canvas bag. I think the bag is really pretty. And then you get a card, which mine does have my products, because sometimes it doesn't. The theme for May is Born to Bloom. This month is a reminder to bloom at your own pace and find beauty in every step of the journey. No perfection required. And on the back, it tells you about the May limited edition mystery bags. It gives you some dates on things and then a sneak peek into upcoming products. We have the Ace Beauté Define and Sculpt Contour Stick. I'd be down to try that. Benefit Cosmetics Do La La All Over Glow Liquid Highlighter in Luna. I would love to try that. And the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Thin Burst Drops. Thirst Burst Drops. I'd love to try that too, honestly, because I had those in my cart, so I would not be mad with any of those. So, I did not get to make a choice for this bag because, unfortunately, when you re-sign up or when you sign up for the very first time and make your profile, you do not get to make a choice, but then going forward you will. But hopefully they did go based off my profile that I did redo when I signed back up. I did also sign up for BoxyCharm, so you guys will see that as well. How long I have them, we shall see, but I did miss getting all these products and unboxing them. So the first item was outside of the bag, and this is from Hola Neon, and it's the Trace Me Lip Liner. So let me find that in my... So this is a full-size product, and this retails for $19. Oh, and did I say... I didn't. The bag itself is $17. So this paid for the bag. And what shade are you in? Hola Neon. So this is in the shade Afterglow, which apparently is a brick rose brown according to their own website, but Ipsy lists it as a dusty rose. And also on Hola Neon's website, it's listed for $21. So, but it says it's creamy enough to glide, but grippy enough to stay put. Packed with rich pigments for a bold, defined lip. It is a retractable liner, so I do like that. I don't smell a scent. Just trying to see if it's a color that I think I'm going to use. Because I would hate to swatch it and then not want to keep it. A brick rose brown. I do like browns. We'll swatch it. Let's see. Ooh. That is pretty. Okay. Okie dokie. So the first thing in our actual bag is this guy. This is from Manna Kadar. And this is their Hydration Happy Face Mist. and this one is in a travel size. So the full size is 180 mils for $19, and this one is 65 mil. So I can do the math here shortly. But this is listed, it's even got the sticker on it, which is crazy. This is the 2022 New Beauty Award winner. It refreshes, sets, and perfects with the ultra-soothing face mist, packed with sea botanicals and skin-loving ingredients like witch hazel and jasmine extract. Helps to hydrate, balance, and keep makeup flawless all day long. I love me a good spray. If I can get it open. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like a perfume. It's a nice little mister. I go through sprays really, really quickly, so I'm not mad at getting this. Then we have another little box. This is from Benefit. So this is the 24-hour brow setter, and I just have clear. This is a deluxe mini. So the full size is 7 mils for $27. This is 2 mil. So again, I can do the math here at the end. But it says to swipe on for 24 hours of water-resistant definition, hold and lifted effect. Custom molded, dual-sided wand coats every brow hair from root to tip. Whoa. Okay. No clumps, no flakes, just flawless sculpted brows. So I've never used this one, the 24-hour brow setter. Oh, it smells good. It smells fruity. Okay. I've used their Gimme Brow. I've never used this. So I'm actually super excited because my current brow gel is about to be dead. So that's exciting. Then we got this little guy. The tiniest little Pixie Glow Tonic, which I've actually never used. So this is a deluxe mini. The full size is $29 for 250 mil. This guy is 15 mil. So, it says it's infused with 5% glycolic acid to exfoliate, to reveal a brighter complexion, while aloe vera and ginseng soothes and energizes. A lit from within glow with every swipe. It's an alcohol-free toner that's suitable for all skin types. So, love that. Are you sealed? You are sealed. So, my current toner I just opened and I hate it, so I honestly think I'm going to try that. And last but not least, we have from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is their mini hydrating bronzer in the shade Café con Leche. So, the full-size product comes in a trio, which I can't even show you this shade because this shade doesn't work for me. But this is what the trio looks like. And it'll come with a setting shade. This is Pale Wear, and Café con Leche would be here. But that shade actually doesn't work for me. So I tried repressing it with, I mixed some things and it didn't work. So I just peeled it out. But the full size of that would be 8 grams of product for $25. And this guy is 2.3 grams. So I'll be able to calculate some prices here at the end. But and this is also in the Fair to Light complexion trio. But it says this bronzer does it all. Warms, brightens, and defines, all with skin-loving, talc-free formula. Infused with hyaluronic acid, the buttery smooth powder melts into skin for a seamless, effortless glow. So I'm not going to swatch this. I'm going to put this aside for the giveaway, which has already been done, but I'm trying to, still need to send it out, but I told her I was adding some extra things into it. So this is going to go in there, and hopefully it'll work for her, because it doesn't for me. So let me calculate up. Let me see. Can I get the lip liner off? Oh, that came off super easy. Let me calculate up some prices for you guys, and then I can come back and we can discuss. Okay, so if we go back to the very, very top of my list, this Alamar bronzer for 2.3 grams of product, it is going to be $7.20. So not too shabby. And like I said, set that aside. We're not touching that. Then the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, which I will be keeping and using. This for 2 mils is $7.72, which I don't think is too bad. I'll get, quite a bit of use out of this guy. Then we have the full-size lip liner, which I'm keeping, which is, I listed it. I'm going to keep it at the Ipsy price of $19. Then we have the Manicadar face mist, which I will be keeping. And this is $7.15 for this size, which, I'd probably pay that. I don't know, if I really like it. And last but not least, we have the Pixie Glow Tonic, which for this little guy would be $1.80, which makes sense. And honestly, since it is sealed and I just opened a toner, I'm going to stick this in the giveaway too, because why not? So, but the total bag value is $42.87, and I don't think that that's too terribly bad. Considering, the only thing that actually wouldn't work for me would be this bronzer, and it's just based off the shade. And technically, if we're being technical, this is in the Fair to Light Compact, so it is going off of my profile, because this should work for me, but it just doesn't. I've tried to make it work, but nope, it sure don't. And then I also have here, I placed an Ipsy shop order, so I figured I would just add this in here at the end. I got one of these, I believe it was this one for $4 and this one for $6. I got 2 of the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paints, because if you can get them on Ipsy for cheap, why not? So we have this. Are they both matte? Yes. So this one is the shade Spectre. This beautiful, corally, peachy orange. Oh, it's just a straight up pumpkin orange. I love these About Face paints. I would buy every color. And if I had had more money on my card, I would have bought every color that Ipsy had. And then we have Light Transcending, which looks like a light taupey, a light brown. Yeah, it's like a tan. So I got 2 of these. Like I said, this was $10. This one was $6, and this one was $4. So definitely keeping those. Very, very excited to have them. So that is going to do it for my Ipsy Glam bag unbagging for the month of May. I'm very excited to be making my choice for June, because I will be at least getting June. I didn't prepay for any bags, so we'll see. But let me know if you got this month's box bag and what you think about it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.